Hey guys, welcome back on my channel. I hope you're all doing well and enjoying your summer so far. As last year, I'm going to show you all the birthday gifts that I got this year. Of course, I already opened all the gifts, but I tried to wrap them up as good as possible so that you can get the full experience, so to say. So let's dive right into it. I'd say we start with the smaller gifts and then go up to the biggest. First, we have something from Saint Laurent. This was a total surprise as I've never seen this before and it was not on my wishes or anything, but the person who gave this to me definitely knows me very well and knows what I like and what I don't like, but this is a really nice pick, I have to say. Alright, let's get the box out of the bag and open this up. So we have here this little box. Maybe you can tell by the size what it is. It's a piece of jewelry. That's what I can tell so far. And then here is a dust bag. And inside we have a beautiful pair of these little pearl studs with a YSL monogram on it in gold. You'll probably not see them properly in the camera if I show them like this, so I'll ensure to include some more detailed shots. I've never seen this before as I try to stay away from costume jewelry, so these are glass pearls and not real pearls, but I'm still a sucker for it and I absolutely fell in love with them in the minute I saw them for the first time. What I find quite interesting about this pair is that they are not equal in size. Not sure if you can see it like this, but one is a little bit bigger and one is a little bit smaller. If you only wear them like this, I think it looks a little bit weird, but if you play a little bit with that disbalance and you combine it with another stud, I think it can look quite cool. I'll show you how I would wear them. I love to wear them together with my Tiffany pearl. On the one ear where I have a second piercing, I put in the smaller YSL pearl together with the Tiffany pearl, and on the other ear I wear the bigger YSL pearl. I really like this combo, how I am wearing it now, and I think I've worn it almost every day since I got it. A really nice gift idea. Next up, we have another piece made out of pearls. This time we're talking about real freshwater pearls. I've been thinking about getting a pearl choker for quite some time now, but I haven't found the one so far as I don't want to get a classic pearl necklace with perfectly round pearls, but one with more irregular oval pearls. I like the imperfect look of it. I think it makes it a little bit less chic and a bit more casual and cool. So my boyfriend found this piece here on Etsy and I absolutely love it. It's exactly what I was looking for. It is so beautiful. I've been wearing this necklace non-stop ever since I got it. It matches every outfit, is so comfortable to wear and also water resistant. The perfect everyday jewelry piece, a perfect gift. Let me put that on right away. What do you say, guys? I really like it. I think it's so casual and so cool, and I love it that it's not round. I think it just gives it something a bit more special. Then we have something from Gucci. This gift I already got a few days before my birthday, which I spent in Florence, so that I could wear it on my trip. Let me unbox this so that you can see what I am talking about. We have here some swimwear. This is what I can tell you already. Let me show you what it is. So to be more precise, we have a Gucci bikini. I'm sure you've already seen this bikini before as it seems to be one of the it swimwear pieces this season. It's this one here. And I have to say that I've also actually been influenced by some girls that I've seen on Instagram wearing this bikini. I think it looks so cool. I love the retro chic vibe that it gives and I love the color, I love the golden GG detail here. I think it's such a nice piece. Let me show you the bottoms. They look like this, so they also come with this little golden Gucci clasp here on the side. I've just been heavily influenced, I have to admit it, but I love it and I think it's quite timeless as it's the typical Gucci pattern and I think that I will be wearing this for several seasons, or at least I hope so. My top 2 bikini picks for this season would definitely be this Gucci one here, and then I'm also eyeing the Celine bikini in brown with the Celine Triomphe pattern. I think those two are my favorites for this summer, and I'm super happy that I got this one gifted as an early birthday present. The color goes quite well with my skin tone, I think, and I had this one and my beloved Fendi bikini with me in Florence, but ended up wearing the new Gucci one every day as I love it so much. Really nice piece. We have another piece from an Italian fashion house, also perfect for my Florence trip, which is why I was also given this already a few days before my birthday. We are talking about Prada. Let's take this out. So it comes in a dust bag and it's dark blue, which gives you a hint that this is actually from the men's collection. And it is... Can you guess it? Maybe by the form, by the shape. It is the neoprene hat in this beautiful beige tone, which almost has like a slightly golden shimmer on it. I love a good bucket hat. The only one that I've had so far is this Fendi one though, so this is a very nice addition to start building up my little bucket hat collection. Let me put it on for you so that you can see how it looks on me. So this is how it looks on me. I think this is a small size, but it's a man's hat, so this one fits perfectly. I'm actually not sure how to wear it properly. I think the right way to wear it is to have the logo a little bit on the side, because there's this stitching here which I think is supposed to be at the back, so the logo should actually be worn on the side like this. But somehow I feel it's a little bit weird if you have the logo on the side, so I prefer to wear it with the logo on front. I do have to say that with 39 degrees that we had in Florence, it was almost a little bit too hot to wear that, especially if you had it on for a certain time. At some point there's no way back anymore to take it off again, if you know what I mean. But it is perfect for a bad hair day, and of course also to protect you from the sun. And it gives every outfit a little extra twist, of course. I just love this piece. And we're almost at the end of this video, but I got one more thing to show you, which is something from Hermes. So this is a gift from me to me. Before flying to Florence, we spent one night at my boyfriend's sister in Vienna, and obviously we stopped by Hermes. I've been on a waitlist for this piece, I think, for over a year now, so I did not expect that they would have it in the store, but when I saw one on display, I thought I'll just try my luck once again and ask if they have it available, and to my surprise, the SA said yes. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This bag is huge, you guys. This is something for my home. And if you've been following along for quite a while, you can probably tell already what this is, or maybe it's already obvious by the shape. So it is... Are you ready, guys? The Avalon pillow in Cocoa Chamomile in the smaller size. Guys, I've been waiting forever to get this, and finally, I have now a matching pillow to my Avalon blanket. Let me put that right here. So we definitely have a new decoration for my video background now. Oh my god, it looks so nice. I just love it. What do you say, guys? I think this is such a perfect color. So happy I finally got it. I have to say that I found it a bit weird that nobody informed me, even though they had several of these in stock, but I asked the SA why they didn't do so, and she just said, yeah, the pillows just arrived and maybe nobody had time so far to contact all the people on the list. But honestly, I'm not sure if I should believe that. So one lesson learned is, if you are looking for a specific piece from Hermes that you really want to have, stay consistent and be annoying and just keep asking for it. Just keep trying and do not rely on being on any list. But here we are now. Finally, I have a matching set. And last but not least, we have something from Chanel. This is the biggest and therefore probably the most exciting gift to show, which is why I think that this deserves its own dedicated video. Maybe you can guess what this is. Leave a comment with your assumptions, but I will reveal it very soon, I promise. And this is it for today. There were some more gifts from friends and some more personal things, but I think this video is already long enough again, so I just want to say a huge thank you to all the people that make my birthday so special year after year. And of course, I also want to say thank you to all the people from my lovely little community that reached out to me and congratulated me for my birthday on Instagram. and other channels. I'm very thankful for all those beautiful gifts, but what I appreciate even more is all the love and the time spent with my close ones, which is what truly counts and what we all should never ever take for granted. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, guys. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I would love to keep this small lovely community growing. Also make sure to activate the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Kisses and goodbye!